Hello there, and thank you for joining me today. Today, we're going to explore our breath. We're going to do the abdominal breathing, and that means we're going back to basics. But the basics is good because they form the foundation of how we breathe. We want to make sure that we use this breathing pattern throughout the day as often as we can. But before we begin, if you like short videos on YouTube but feel like you can do with a longer routine, consider joining my membership site. You get access to courses that are structured, a little bit more in depth. You can follow along, but you can also benefit from longer routines, 20, 30, 45 minutes, including all the recorded Zoom sessions. I'll leave more information for you in the description below this video. Let's begin today's practice. You can do this routine standing up or feel free to sit on a chair or even in bed. Because we're doing abdominal breathing today, we're going to be focusing on the belly, keeping our chest nice and relaxed. But first, I like to kind of bring awareness to these two areas so we can actually feel our body better, connecting to our body. So warm up your hands quickly. And then bring that warmth to your chest and your belly. Circle around for a few moments here. So you're gonna get a sense how your chest feels, how your belly feels. Bringing those physical sensations. And then flip hands. Circle a few more seconds here. Very, very good. Then choose the hand that feels right on your body. One will stay on the chest, another one on your abdomen. Assume the position, relaxing your shoulders, unlocking your knees, relaxing through your lower back and your hips. We're going to exhale to empty the lungs. And then on an inhale, sending your breath deeper into your lungs. See if you can feel your belly expanding. Exhale, slowly drawing the belly in towards the lower back. Empty your lungs again. Inhale in through the nose. Exhale out the nose. Keep it soft, keep it smooth. Breathe in. Breathe out. Checking in with your chest now and again. Make sure it stays nice and flat. Bringing all your attention to the movement of the abdomen and your breath. Feel free to close your eyes if it helps you to concentrate better. Hearing the sound of your own breath going in, going out. Feeling the movement of the abdomen, feeling that space that you're creating as you expand. Try to do that without creating any tension in your throat and the upper chest. Stay true to your breath. Keep it natural. Very good. So now we've established how to breathe into our belly. We felt it, we experienced it. So now we're going to inhale into the belly and then continue inhaling so your chest lifts up. Then exhale, starting with your chest and then your belly. Inhale into your belly, feel it expanding, Continue breathing in. Fill up your chest. Exhale, drop your chest and your belly. Inhale to the belly. Continue filling up all the way to the upper chest, upper back. Exhale, drop your chest. Even your ribs feel a little bit deflated and your belly. And see if you can make it as a wave. So inhale, belly, ribs, chest. Exhale, chest, ribs, belly. Recently I came across this comparison of a jar. If you think of a jar and how you feel the jar, it goes right at the bottom. It's nice and spacious and then narrows towards the top. But then when you empty it, you start from the top and going down. Similar approach you want to feel here. Imagine as if your entire breathing apparatus is like a jar. So your first breath always travels to your belly, feeling that expansion. And then as you feeling all the way to the top, you start from the top, dropping your chest, relaxing your ribs, and emptying your belly. So following your own breath, again, take your breath into your belly. Continue filling it up. Exhale. Just notice that change in shape as you inhale. And then what happens as you exhale? There's movement. Inhale. Exhale. And if you want, you can free up your hands and do the same what I'm doing, just guiding that wave. Feeling the expansion, then feeling the release, emptying the lungs. And again, breathing in. Breathing out. Breathing in. Breathing out. Breathing in. Breathing out. And one more time here. Breathing in, belly, ribs, chest. Exhale, chest, ribs, and belly. Relax your abdomen, relax your chest. See if you can keep the same pattern, but now we're going to take that full breath using the hands. Fill up your jar all the way to the top, and then exhale, emptying your jar from the top all the way down. Stand a little taller, open your chest, breathing in. Exhale. Inhale, open, expand. Drawing more oxygen into your lungs. Exhale, pour it out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Just simply enjoy the sound of your own breath. Inhale, focusing on your body. That subtle expansion in your chest cavity and your abdominal cavity. Exhale. And one more time, breathing in and breathing out. Relax your hands to the side. And then take a regular breath. Take your normal breath. See if it's easier. See if you're breathing in with more awareness. Very good. Thank you very much. I hope this was helpful. You can use this technique as many times as you need, especially in stressful situations or if you feel like you have anxiety build up in your system. So just take a couple of minutes, first connecting to your body, calming yourself down, and then using this technique of a jar, filling up and then emptying, filling up and emptying. If you do that 10 to 15 times, I guarantee you'll feel better. Once again, thank you very much for joining me today. It's been a pleasure to practice with you. Until next time, I wish you great health, keep well, and I'll see you tomorrow. Thank you for joining me today. If you want to see more videos like this, don't forget to click a subscribe button so you don't miss any future videos or live streams. I wish you a great health and see you next time.